Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to tell you how to fix your phone overheating while charging on the REALME P3 5G phone. So there are a few things that make your phone overheat while charging, and the most important one is to not keep your phone on a bed, under a blanket, or under a pillow while charging, because that may trap some heat and it's going to circulate and just heat up your phone and might even damage it. So that's not recommended at all. So make sure it's charging on like a table, on the floor, on a flat surface, and nowhere where heat could be trapped and go basically back into the phone. So there's another thing, it is to use a high quality charger, or at least an official one. So right now I'm using the official iPhone charger with a 61 watt brick. The phone supports 45 watt charging, so a little overkill, but fast charging works. And my phone doesn't really overheat that much, but do keep in mind, this is another thing, that phones may get heated up a little when they're charging, because this is like energy conversion going on, and the phones may heat up a little, so that's pretty normal. And another thing is to not really use your phone while charging, or definitely not game or enable the gaming mode that's on this phone. I'm going to show you. So you have this GT mode, make sure it's not enabled while charging and when you're gaming, if you don't want your phone to heat up. But if you need it, maybe heating up is not really a problem for you if you really want to game while having the best performance. So if you want to have the best performance in games, your phone is gonna heat up. This is pretty expected, so you can't really do much about it other than maybe buy like a cooling unit that is sold for phones from like Razer or any other type of cooling device. So another thing is the background apps. So you may have a whole bunch of background apps running in the background, so go to settings, go to apps, and then press app management. So select the apps that you use the most and make sure that background apps is disabled. So we're going to go to battery usage and allow background activity, make sure that that's disabled on the apps. And those are the tips for now. This should help you increase the performance of your phone. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.